Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need admin rights? Make a restore point now because removing scheduler changes services. First, export critical scheduled tasks by right-clicking each and choosing Export. This preserves settings. Then open Services. MSC and Task Scheduler Library, side by side so you can compare. Once done, identify the Task Scheduler service and related scheduled task names you plan to remove. This step prevents accidental loss and gives you a rollback if something breaks, so don't skip it. Now stop the Task Scheduler service. In Services, MSC select Task Scheduler, click Stop, then set Startup Type to Disabled. Next, go through Task Scheduler Library and disable individual tasks by right-clicking and choosing Disable. Remove triggers if present. If third-party apps created tasks, uninstall or disable those apps first because they may recreate entries. Once disabled and stopped, verify dependent services aren't marked automatic. Change them to manual if needed. Make sure you keep the exported XML files until you confirm stability. Finally, delete disabled tasks from Task Scheduler, and only if you know what you're doing, clean related registry keys under hklm/software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version/schedule. Back up the registry first. Reboot and confirm the Task Scheduler service stays stopped and no scheduled jobs run. If something breaks, services fail or apps misbehave, reboot into safe mode. Re-enable the Task Scheduler service or import your XML backups to restore tasks. One key tip: restoring the service usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.